Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If you'd like to disable the open links in browser on your X, in today's video we will be guiding you through the process. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video and get started. You can start by opening up the X application, for that the Twitter application on your device. And once you do so, you can tap on your profile picture icon once you are logged in, which is on the top left corner of your screen. So go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, this page opens up right here. Now, if you would like to disable the open links, what you can do is you can go over and go to settings and support, scroll down for that, and select this option for settings and support and expand it up. Once you expand it up, you can select the option for settings and privacy and open it up. Now that you open it up, this page opens up with all of your settings available. You need to navigate to the option for accessibility, display, and languages. Scroll down and find that option right there and tap on it. And once you tap on it here, you need to go over and then select the option for using browser toggle. So we have this option for accessibility or display. You can tap on it, go over and tap on display. And from there, you can select the option for web browser and find the option called use in app browser. So you just need to toggle this option off, tap on it. And when you turn it off, that will not allow Twitter or the X application to open the links in browser. And that's it. So therefore, you may follow up these steps if you would like to disable open links on your Twitter. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.